Hello everyone, welcome back to Sopna's Math Book. Today we can continue linear equations in one variable. We can do few questions from the textbook. First question. Baijung's father is 26 years younger than Baijung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baijung. The sum of the ages of all the three is 135 years. What is the age of each one of them? First, you have to read the problem carefully and note what is given and what is required. Here, let the age of Baijung be x. Then, Baijung's father's age is equal to x plus 29 because Baijung's father is 29 years older than Baijung. So, the father's age is x plus 29. Then, Baijung's grandfather's age is 26 years older than Baijung's father. So, x plus 29 is Baijung's father's age plus 26. That is Baijung's grandfather's age. We can simplify. That is 29 plus 26 is equal to 55. So, x plus 55. Now, sum of the ages of these three is equal to 135. That's why we can write x plus, that is Baijung's age, plus father's age x plus 29 and Baijung's grandfather's age is x plus 55. Sum of these three is equal to 135. Can simplify. X plus x is equal to 3x plus constants 29 plus 55. So LHS 3x plus 84 is equal to, in RHS, 135. Again, transpose method we can use. 3x is equal to 84 transposing to RHS, 135 minus 84. So x is equal to 51 divided by 3 is equal to 17. So the age of Baijung is x. So that Baijung's father's age is equal to x plus 29. That is 17 plus 29 is equal to 46. Then Baijung's grandfather's age is equal to x plus 55. It is 17 plus 55 is equal to 72. Next question. I have a total of rupees 300 in coins of denomination rupees 1, rupees 2 and rupees 5. The number of rupees 2 coins is 3 times the number of rupees 5 coins. The total number of coins is 160. How many coins of each denomination are with me? First, you have to read the question. Here, we can assume the number of rupees 5 coins be x. Now, the number of rupees 2 coins is 3 times the number of rupees 5 coins. So, number of rupees 2 coins be 3 into x, that is 3x. Then, rupees 1 coins be 160 minus x plus 3x, that is, the total number of coins is 160. Number of rupees 5 coins is x plus number of rupees 2 coins plus number of rupees 1 coins is 160. So, obviously, rupees 1 coins we can write 160 minus x plus 3x. You can simplify similarly 160 minus 4x. Now, by condition, here there is a condition is there, that is the total number of coins is 160 and the sum of the total of these rupees is rupees 300. That is 5x plus, that is number of 5 rupees coins is 5x plus number of 2 rupees coins is 2 into, that is 3x 2 rupees coins are there. So we can write 2 into 3x plus rupees 1 coin 160 minus 4x, that is 1 into 160 minus 4x. When we add these three, we will get rupees 300. Again we can simplify 5x plus 6x plus 160 minus 4x is equal to 300. Variables in one side, constants in the other side. 7x plus 160 is equal to 300. Now 7x is equal to again 160 transposing to RHS, 300 minus 160 is equal to 140. Again 7 we can transpose to the RHS, x is equal to 140 divided by 7. That means 20. So the number of 5 rupees coins be 20. So number of 2 rupees coins is equal to 3 into 20 is equal to 60 number. Then number of rupees 1 coins is equal to 160 minus 4x, that is 160 minus 4 into 20 is equal to 160 minus 80 is equal to 80. So 20 rupees 5 coins and 60 rupees 2 coins and 80 rupees 1 coins are there. Third question. The organizers of an essay competition decide that a winner in the competition gets a prize of rupees 100 and a participant who does not win gets a prize of rupees 25. The total prize money distributed is rupees 3000. Find the number of winners if the total number of participants is 63. Read the problem carefully. Let the number of winners be x. Total number of participants is 63. So, the number of non-winners is equal to 63 minus x. Now, amount given for a winner is equal to rupees 100. So, amount given for x winners is equal to rupees 100 into x, rupees 100x. Then, amount given for non-winners is equal to rupees 25. So, amount given for 63 minus x non-winners is equal to rupees 25 into 63 minus x. Bracket open. You can simplify this. Rupees 25 into 63 minus rupees 25x. Then variables in one side. Rupees 1575 minus rupees 25x. Now, total prize money distributed is equal to rupees 3000. That is amount given for a winner and non-winners. That is rupees 3000. That means rupees 100x plus rupees 1575 minus rupees 25x is equal to rupees 3000. Variables in one side, constants in other side. Rupees 75x is equal to rupees 3000 minus rupees 1575. Then 3000 minus 575 is equal to 1425. This x is equal to rupees 1425 divided by 75 is equal to 90. So the number of winners is equal to 90.
Hope you all understood. Practice well. Thank you.